Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your dates format in Odoo. Let's get started. First go to odoo.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the settings option. In the settings, you first need to activate Odoo's developer mode. So scroll down to the developer tools section and click on activate the developer mode. Then click Save from the top left corner. Next, in the settings, scroll up again to the Languages section and click Manage Languages. Next, in this new page, click on the language you are using. Then in this new page, look for the date format field, which is this highlighted field right here, and change the date format to your preference. Lastly, click on this cloud icon up here to save your changes manually. And that is how you can change your dates format in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.